guys, in my previous video, I had taught you the rules of the noun number. Now I am going to tell you next rule for the converting singular number into plural number. Before that, I would like to tell you, if you prefer these rules to convert the numbers, singular numbers into plural number, you will find it easy. So the next rule is noun ending in Y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing Y into I and adding ES. Very simply, I will tell you this rule. If you have to convert the singular number which is ending with Y, you can remove Y and I will replace the Y, and you will add ES to that word. So, totally we will add IES. For example, suppose we have lorry. It is ending with Y. Y will be replaced by I and ES will be added. So, the plural number will be LORRIES. Some other examples are baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, story, stories. I have written here one of the exception that some words are having similar pronunciation. Here story and story, two words are there. Story spellings are different. One is STORY, another is STOREY. You can find differences in their plurals. Listen, story, STORY, its plural is STORIES. But the next story is ending with Y, but before the ending Y, here is vowel E. So its plural will be simply by adding S. So the word is STOREY. Its plural is STOREYS. The next example is carry. Plural is carries. Now we should come on the next rule. Listen carefully. If nouns ending in F or FE. Again I am telling you, if nouns ending in F or FE, they form their plural by changing F or FE into V and adding ES. I hope you might have understood. Simply, if the ending word of the singular noun is F, either FE, you will remove F or FE and you will use the letter V in place of F or FE and you will add ES to that. So, simply, some examples are there. Thief, it is ending with F. We have replaced F by V and added ES. So, the plural of thief is thieves. Next is wife, wives, wolf, wolves, self, selves, half, halves, loaf, loaves. A note I have given here, some nouns like dwarf, hoof, scarf, wharf take either S or VES in their plural. You can see I have written those like dwarf or dwarves, dwarfs or dwarves, hoofs or hooves, scarfs or scarves, wharfs or wharfs. Now we come to the next rule. The next rule is a few nouns form their plural by changing the vowel inside them of the singular. Means if there is a vowel inside the word or in between the word, that we will change it. For example, MAN, men, A is vowel, I have changed it MEN, men. Woman, WOMAN changes into WOMEN. Goose, Double O changes into double E. Goose becomes geese. Mouse, that is converted into mice. FOOT, foot, that is converted into feet. Tooth into teeth. Louse into lice. And the next rule is there are few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular. Like ox, plural is oxen. Child, plural is children. The next rule is some nouns have the singular and the plural alike, means they have both singular and plural are same. For example, swine, plural will be swine. Sheep, sheep. Deer, plural will be deer. Pear, pear. Dozen, dozen. Gross, gross. Here I have mentioned some two words like 100. 100 will be 100. 1000 is also 1000. When these are used after numerals, we will not say hundreds. For example, 400 we will say, not 400s. 7000 we will say, not 7000s. The next rule is some nouns are used only in the plural. For this, number A is names of instrument which have two parts forming a kind of pair. Example, scissors. We will say scissors whether it is one or more than one scissors. Tongs, pincers, spectacles, etc. The next is names of certain articles of dress are also having singular and plural same, like trousers, jeans, shorts. The next rule is, students, the following nouns look plural but are in fact singular. Means some of the noun which are we feel that they are plural but actually they are singular. First one is name of the subject. For example, physics, electronics, mathematics, etc. We will not say mathematics singular or mathematics plural. It is used as singular, but they are looks like plural. The second is the word news. News has same both the singular and the plural. Third is some common diseases like measles, mumps, rickets. Number 4 is name of some games are also plural but are in fact singular. Billiards, rods, etc. Here is a note that the word means, it is used either as singular or plural, but when it has the meaning of wealth, means is related to or mean to wealth, that time it is always plural. The next rule is certain collective nouns are used as plural. For example, poultry, cattle, people, gentry, etc. The next rule is compound nouns form their plural by adding s to the principal word. For example, singular is commander-in-chief. Its plural will be commanders-in-chief. Son-in-law, its plural will be sons-in-law.